Hello, American Cocktail Club. Are you ready for this month's drinky? This one is called My New Red Rider. This month in the box, we have some bourbon. We also have some vanilla ginger syrup from our good friends over at Route 23, some Volley Ginger Sparkling Agave Seltzer, and then we also have some dehydrated orange for garnish, and then not included in the box is a little bit of fresh squeezed orange juice. It's freezing in here, so we need a drink to warm us up. Let's go. Okay, so 1.75 ounces of our bourbon. Let's use a ½ ounce of our vanilla ginger syrup from Route 23, a ½ ounce of freshly pressed orange juice. Yes, it has to be fresh. And then we're gonna give it a shake, a long shake, a really good, fun, shaky shake, shake, shake. And then double strain that into our rocks glass with some fresh ice. God, that looks good already. And then we're gonna top it with 2 ounces, approximately 2 ounces, of our Volley Ginger Seltzer. We're gonna give that a good stir so everything is nice and mixed and that first sip is perfect. But first, let's garnish it with our dehydrated orange. That thing is purty. All right, try that one. American Cocktail Club. Enjoy.